Hey, my name is Devin and this is my 2015 335 BMW. I do have a StreetfighterLA F30 wide body kit, StreetfighterLA lips, side splitters, the rear side splitter, spoiler, Enlace rear diffuser, Side-on hood. We painted it BMW individual Ferrari red, LG97 forged wheels, wrapped it with Toyo tires, Brembo brakes, carbon fiber mirrors, Recaro Sportster GT, and BMW Performance steering wheel. Outer power roll cage, AFE intake. I do have an IP Valvetronic exhaust, downpipe as well, airlift air suspension. Hey, if you guys want to see more cars like mine, head over to wheelwell.com.